With the equity market having rallied sharply, the question on most investors' mind is, should I book profits? This is the most difficult question to answer, as there is one section in the market which believes the worst is over as far as the economic impact of COVID and the lockdowns is concerned. And with the huge stimulus being announced globally, either the economic growth or the liquidity will continue to drive the markets because the returns in debt are also unattractive at current levels. There is another section in the market which is looking at valuations and believes that a bubble is being built up as the valuations are clearly stretched and do not justify the current levels, and there is bound to be a correction at some time. Many are looking to the past to find answers and believe we are likely to see a repeat of the aftermath of 2008 Lehman crisis when liquidity was pumped in and the markets rallied back to their original levels, only to be followed by a long period of correction which ended with a bottom in 2013. We believe there are stocks in the market which are not expensive, and maybe new money may find itself chasing the cyclical, momentum and value stocks as the risk appetite of investors increases based on liquidity and the vaccine availability. But this may be temporary. The reason why expensive stocks are expensive is because of the predictability of their earnings, strength of their balance sheets, and excellent managerial ability. And eventually, these will remain the last ones to fall in a correction. These companies typically have a long history of growth and low volatility of earnings. If you have a portfolio of quality stocks and your asset allocation is out of balance due to a significant appreciation in your equity position, you may need to rebalance your portfolio a bit. In case you are into cyclicals and momentum, it may be a good time to start moving slowly into the quality companies. And if you are a bit skeptical about the markets, it may be okay to book profits and go slightly underweight on equities. I have nothing to say to investors who are sitting on cash through this entire rally for a simple reason that they never followed an ideal asset allocation and are not disciplined enough. Timing the markets with 100% of your portfolio is a gamble and not advisable. The current rally and the profits in equity is a good opportunity to have a relook at your overall risk profile and check if the alignment of the portfolio is in line with it, and whether to book profits or not would depend to a large extent also on the quality of the equity allocation. At MK Wealth, we would be more than happy to help you set your ideal asset allocation and help rebalance your portfolio. Please get in touch with your relationship manager.